Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying your Windows edition and securing your media. Backup playlists and files so no data is lost. Once done, open Control Panel and navigate to Programs, then turn Windows features on or off. This forces the System Components list to appear. You will look for Media Features and the Windows Media Player checkbox. If it's unchecked, check it to enable. If checked, uncheck then apply, reboot, and repeat to re-enable. This toggling often repairs corrupt component registrations. Next, you perform the deeper repair steps to restore functionality. Open an elevated PowerShell or command prompt and run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health, then sfc/scano. These commands repair system image and protected files. Make sure to reset or repair any modern media apps in Settings apps as they can conflict. If you're on N or KN editions, download and install the media feature pack for your exact build. Once these complete, restart and test playback to confirm the player launches and plays files. To finalize, re-register core Windows Media Player components so associations restore correctly. Open an admin command, prompt and run regsfor32 for key DLLs like WNetger, DLL, and WMPlayer. AUKEX to refresh COM registrations. Then set default apps in settings so audio and video file types map to Windows Media Player. If problems persist, create a new local user to test profile corruption, or run an in-place upgrade repair from an ISO to keep files while replacing system files.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.